Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you have missed me. And today I've got another great tutorial for you. You can have a wee preview there. So that's some kind of 3D mosaic stones. Look pretty simple but effective, and your clients are going to love that. Also, I wish to say a huge thank you for all your supports, comments, likes, shares, and everything which helps to make this channel to grow and get a bit bigger and bigger and bigger. So big kisses for that. Let's start. I have buffed this tip already, and we will do two just for example with different shapes. I'm going to paint it in a blue color. You could use also different colors. I think it will look fab in all sort of different looks and different shapes as well. Very easy mosaic kind of style design. So I painted it in the pastel blue color by Neonials. And I already done this one just for a quickness. And then on the mixing palette, we are going to put some Twinkle White, which is like a glittery gel polish. And now we are going to paint the shape. So on this one, I will go for a triangle shape. Painting with the glitters, like you need to be pretty slow and precise at the edges, just so the glitter makes really nice, like, and it leaves nice and even line. Now I'm just smoothing all. It's very easy nail art for beginner. I like those kind of designs because they're not overly too complicated. So once this part is done, I can pop it inside the lamp. And then on this one, we will do a line in the middle. So nothing overly too thick, but I also need a bit of room so we can squeeze in those little stones. Okay, and with the glitter, very slow, so you've got nice and neat edges. Nice and neat. I don't want to make it too thick, so that's why I'm taking my time to paint the right thickness. Okay, I'm almost there. I'm actually, for making it easier, I might flash cure this product and then just tidy up the edges. And then this one is cooked, so I'm just going to start preparing colors on the sides, all sort of different blues. And this one as well. Actually, I put it more. There is a few different ways of doing this design. I will talk through it as well. So let me fix this one quickly. So I'm just fixing the edges So when we're painting with the glitter has small pieces of the glitter, so it's pretty hard to get a nice and straight line. So I'm just smoothing it out. Okay, now I'm happy with it, so I can put it inside the lamp. And we're going to need also some paint on French gel as well, on its own and close to the blue. So now I'm going to mix the colors for my stones. I want them to be all sort of different shades of blue. That's a nice blue, actually, really nice. Clean the dotting tool because we might need it for later on. Now on this tip, you've got two choices. One, actually, I show you two different ways. Okay, so on this one, I'm just going straight into painting those little stones. So I'm starting with the medium blue. And maybe I will go for the darker one. Pretty nice and decent one here, going sidewise. Just make them all different shapes. We're also needing some color, which is like the background. Also something lighter. I'm just painting like a little gemstones. And then put it inside the lamp. And then this one we will do a different way. I prefer this way. So after I have applied the glitter, I'm applying the top coat. So this way I'm going to protect my glitter and also the gel polish which is underneath. Then put it inside the lamp. And then on this one, we have to protect the gel polish. So I would put the top coat now at this stage, and also we will protect the gemstones as well. What is happening when we're putting the top coat, they are losing the kind of 3D effect. I mean, you can still see it as 3D, but it's not as high. So I show you what to do so it's nice again. But this one is cure, and the top coat is cure, so I can go straight into painting those little stones. Now the only difference now is I cannot use the gel polish on its own because it is risky, it might come off if we don't top coat it. So what I'm having is a paint on French gel, and I have tested this gel for weeks, and on the clients and on my own nails. It never kind of disappointed me. So if I mix any gel polish with the paint on French gel, I'm able to don't top coat it. So I've got my blue here, which is mixed with my paint on French gel. And I wouldn't have to top coat this design. So different sizes, different directions. Really nice. Easy to do it. You also don't want them to get too close to each other, like leave those gaps so we've got those silver parts visible. Okay, now I'm going to raise some of the stones even higher. And then that's me happy with this design, so you can see it is nice raised. I can pop it inside the lamp, and I need to give it double cure if I don't want to top coat it. And this one looks much flatter, as you can see it, because we have applied the top coat over it. So to fix and get those 3D look, and also use the gel polishes so you don't have to worry about the design coming off, I'm just going to top coated the stones to get those 3D look. So I'm just cleaning my brush, and then the top coat, put over the stone. Depending on the temperatures, obviously here is like extremely warm because of the camera lights. I'm going to freeze it for 2-3 seconds so I don't lose those 3D look. Okay, so this is a solution if you using the gel polish and you worried that it might come off. And I've got those kind of, that's a paint on French gel on this nails as well, mixed with some pink, and so there was this one, and there is no top coat over it. Same, there is no top coat over it, and like it is safe to do anything with those nails really. Gardening, cooking, all sort of different things, and it doesn't come off. Okay, I can pop it inside the lamp again. Now this one is Cure, and the paint on French gel has little to no inhibition layer, so I'm just going to quickly remove that with the UV cleanser, and I show you the final look on this design. So it's nicely raised, and I much prefer it this way than applying the top coat. So we've got another one, all nice little stones, and then this one is cooked as well. So very quick and easy tutorial, guys, for you. I hope you have enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. If you're existing subscriber, hit the notification bell, as there is lots of tutorials Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays with different type of designs for you. Glittery hacks, and bye for now.